Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick burger full guide. Preheat a skillet over medium-high heat, shape 4-ounce patties, season with salt and pepper, and press gently to form even discs. Cook 3 minutes per side for medium, flip once, and rest patties for 2 minutes. Toast buns in the pan with butter and assemble with cheese, pickles, lettuce, favorite sauce, and serve immediately. Start by choosing 80/20 ground beef for juiciness and portion 4 4-ounce patties for even cooking. Keep meat cold and handle gently to avoid compacting the burger. Season just before cooking with salt and black pepper, and consider adding garlic powder or onion powder for depth. Prep toppings like sliced onion, tomato, and lettuce while patties rest so assembly is quick and flavors stay bright. Use a meat thermometer if unsure. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free music while cooking, grab the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and voice timers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick recipes. I use the Echo Dot to set timers, call up playlists, and keep both hands free during prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat to avoid flare-ups and overcooking. Medium-high gives a good sear without burning. Press lightly with a spatula for 1 second to ensure full contact, then avoid pressing again to keep juices. Add cheese in the last 30 seconds and cover to melt quickly. Rest patties for 2 minutes to redistribute juices, then assemble with toasted buns and your chosen condiments for a balanced quick burger and enjoy today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.